I would definitely tell anyone who's interested in the internship or fellowship program with SBMT to reach out. Also to really first to study what they want and to know what their takeaway will be from the people that they're connecting with, so they can make meaningful lifetime connections.
To just make all of these connections through this opportunity and learn about different perspectives.
Including neuro-oncology, neurotech and neuroradiology, neuromodulation and neuroengineering, last but not the least, military medicine and neurotrauma.
All sections are so interesting, and I was like, oh my god, where should I run from this room to another one?
I think my daughters are the newest and the youngest members of SBMT.
SBMT gives you an identification mark in the United States of America so that they can grow on an individual scale and they can learn how to collaborate, how to grow, and they get to know what's going on in the world and what's the future of the medicine.
This conference and just SBMT in general, I think is a really good way for students who want to go into the medical field in the future to learn how it works, to get just more familiar with the field itself, and I think that's really important.